First of all, I would like to greet our subscribers and viewers here in the Philippines. And I am very grateful because foreign countries are starting to engage here in our YouTube channel. And I would like to greet all of our subscribers in India, all of our subscribers in Malaysia, all of our subscribers and viewers in Pakistan, all of our subscribers and viewers in Saudi Arabia, and all of our subscribers and viewers in United States. And for today's video, our topic is very interesting because as you can see beside me, this is our own produce of pineapple balloon platy. Like what we shared with you last month, we produced our own strain of ornamental fish, and this is what we call pineapple balloon platy. And this strain is a product of crossbreeding project. We crossed the red balloon platy and Mickey Mouse platy, and in the first stage of our crossbreeding project, we have some difficulties because the fry that we are producing is reject, or like what we told you before in guppy breeding, if you cross the different strain, you are just producing a reject product. So that is our trials in our first stage of breeding this pineapple balloon platy. But in the long process, finally we achieved the product that we want to aim, and we want to produce this kind of pineapple balloon platy. And the goal of our crossbreeding project is to produce a balloon platy with different colors aside from red balloon platy. And the pineapple balloon platy is the finished product of our crossbreeding project. And for today, I would like to share with you how we are producing these thousands of pineapple balloon platy here in our backyard. The breeding techniques that we are using to produce thousands of pineapple balloon platies here in our backyard is the basic breeding techniques. Like what we said to you before in our previous video, the two common techniques that we are using here in our backyard, the basic breeding techniques and advanced breeding techniques. That's why we are using the basic breeding techniques of this kind of ornamental fish, this pineapple balloon platy, because we are producing thousands of fry using the basic breeding techniques. And here is our breeding setup of pineapple balloon platy using the basic breeding techniques. We are just putting this kind of aquatic plants. This is hornwort plants. And we are letting our breeders to swim freely here in our big breeding setup. That's why they are producing thousands of fry here in our basic setup, because of the environment that they have here in our basic breeding setup. And the other thing that you may need to consider in breeding thousands of ornamental fish is the food that you want to give in your breeders. And this kind of ornamental fish require a good quality of fish food product, and we are giving them the high protein quality of fish food product. That's why they can able to breed a lot of fry. And also you need to consider the water condition that you have in your breeding tank. You must have a good quality of water condition. You must have a good cycle of water in your breeding setup so that your breeders can live naturally in your breeding setup. Okay, right now we are harvesting a lot of fry here in our breeding setup. As you can see, there is a lot of fry swim around here in our large breeding setup. I think we have thousands of this kind of red balloon platy fry. We need to harvest all the fry to limit the crowd in our breeding setup and to give way for another batch of fry that female breeders will give birth soon. And after harvesting this fry in our breeding setup, we need to transfer this fry in their grow out so that they can grow easily and they can grow faster, that will be best for the fry. As you can see in here, more of our females are still pregnant. As you can see, they have the fry in their belly. And I think each of this fry can release 50 to 70 pieces of fry. That's why we can produce thousands of fry in just one cycle, because we have 30 to 50 pieces of females in our breeding setup. And these pineapple balloon platies are very beautiful. If you put this in your aquarium, like what you see in here, they have a nice color. They have a yellowish color pattern with some reddish in their fins. That's why I call them pineapple balloon platies, because of the body shape. As you can see, they have rounded body shape, especially the female. They have rounded belly, they have rounded body shape, and the color are very nice. As you can see, they are yellowish. That's why this is what we call the pineapple balloon platy. Can you imagine if you breed this kind of ornamental fish in your backyard and you can produce thousands of fry of this kind of ornamental fish? You can earn a lot of profit out of breeding this kind of ornamental fish. That's why we are aiming to teach and share with you our knowledge in breeding techniques, in our experience in breeding any kinds of ornamental fish, so that we can help our fellow kabackyard to have their extra income out of breeding ornamental fish. And if you are new to our channel and you would like to have some ornamental fish, you want to breed ornamental fish, you want to engage in this kind of business, just click the subscribe button below. And don't forget to click our notification bell, so that if there is a new video that uploaded in our YouTube channel, you will be notified.